Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yasinta Azhara. I'm from Management Class 24A and BM 244111099. And today I am going to talk about business legality, company legality in business activities. I hope this video provides you with a clear understanding of the subject. Let's get started. Introduction. Every business that operates in the modern economy must have legal recognition from the government. This recognition, known as business legality or company legality, serves as the official proof that a business has fulfilled the legal requirement to operate. Business legality is not only a form of compliance but also an essential foundation for trust, accountability, and protection. In this presentation, we will explore what business legality means, why it is important, why types of business legality exist, and how legal documents affect the operation and reputation of a company. Understanding business legality helps entrepreneurs operate ethically, avoid legal problems, and build credibility in the eyes of customer, partner, and investor. Definition of business legality. Business legality refers to the legal status granted by the government to a business entity after it fulfills all administrative, fiscal, and operational requirements. In simpler terms, it means the business is officially recognized and allowed to conduct commercial activities under the law. This legality includes licenses, registration, and other legal documents that protect the company's existence and operation. Without legal status, a business is considered informal or illegal, which means it cannot receive government protection, access to financing, or legal recognition in contract and transaction. Therefore, legality transforms a business from a private activity into an official economic actor within the national economy. The importance of business legality. Having legal status provides many advantages for a business. First, it ensures the company can operate safely without the risks being shut down by authorities. Second, it builds trust with customer, supplier, and investor because a legal company is seen as credible and professional. Third, business legality allows the company to access various opportunities, such as bank loans, government contracts, and business collaboration. Additionally, legality provides protection in dispute. A registered business can sue or be sued in court. Lastly, it shows that the business pays tax and contributes to the country's development, which reflect good corporate citizenship. The role of law in business legality. Law plays a central role in establishing and maintaining business legality. It defines the rule that every business must follow to gain recognition and ensure fairness in the economic system. The government acts as the regulator and enforcer of this law through institutions such as ministries of trade, taxation officials, and licensing agencies. Business law aims to balance freedom and responsibility, ensuring that business can grow while respecting the rights of others. In essence, legal frameworks serve as both a guide and a protection mechanism for business activities. Without the rule of law, companies would face uncertainty, corruption, and unfair competition. Legal form of business entities. Every country recognizes several legal forms of business entities. Common types include sole proprietorship, owned by one person with unlimited liability. Partnership, owned by two or more people who share responsibilities and profits. Corporation or limited liability company, LLC, a separate legal entities where owners have limited liability. Cooperative, an organization owned by members of mutual benefit. Each of these entities must register legally before conducting business. The form caution determines the company's responsibility, taxes, and level of protection. For example, a corporation must comply with corporate law and regularly report financial statement, while a sole proprietor only needs a basic license to operate. The process of legalizing a business. To obtain legality, a business must go through several steps. First, it must select a business name that is not already in use. Second, it must prepare foundational documents, such as the deed of establishment, articles of association, and identification of owners. Third, the business must register with the government agency responsible for company registration. Afterward, it must obtain a business identification number, a tax identification number, and relevant operational permits. In some industries, business must also meet safety, environmental, or labor regulation. Completing this step provides the business with full legal standing and the right to operate within its jurisdiction. Business licensing. Business licensing is the government way of controlling and monitoring economic activities. It ensures that businesses meet the standards required for public safety, environmental protection, and fair competition. Types of business licenses vary depending on the industry. For instance, a restaurant needs health and sanitation permits, while a construction company needs building and safety permits. Licensing also helps the government collect accurate data for taxation and economic planning. Operation without a license can result in penalties, fines, or even closure. Therefore, maintaining valid licenses is a continuous responsibility for all business owners. Tax legality. Another crucial aspect of business legality is tax registration. Every legal business must have a tax identification number, TIN, or a similar code. Depending on the country, tax legality ensures that business fulfill their fiscal responsibilities and contribute to public service and infrastructure. Paying tax on time not only avoids legal sanction but also ensures the company's reputation. Tax compliance is often required when applying for loans, tender, or partnership. Therefore, good tax management is part of a company's commitment to transparency, accountability, and national development. Legal document in business. Business legality is supported by various legal documents that provide proof of legitimacy. These documents include the date of establishment, business registration certificacy, operational license or business permit, tax identification number, company domicile certificacy, employment and labor permits. Each of these documents has a specific function. For example, the date of establishment outlines the structure and ownership of the business, while the business registration certificate confirms that the company is recognized by the government. This document must be maintained and renewed regularly to ensure continuous legality. Legal protection and business ethics. Legal recognition provides business with protection from unfair practices, fraud, and exploitation. A company that operates legally can enforce contract, claim compensation, and defend itself in court. However, legality should always go hand in hand with business ethics. While the law defines that is allowed, ethics defines what is right. A truly successful company follows not only the letter of the law but also moral principles such as honesty, fairness, and social responsibility. Ethical behavior strengthens the company's reputation and long-term sustainability. The role of government institutions. Government institutions play a vital role in ensuring business legality. Ministries of Trade, taxation authorities, investment agencies, and local government are responsible for issuing licenses and monitoring compliance. The institution also provide grants and support for entrepreneurs who are starting new business. Furthermore, legal system and courts handle dispute, ensuring justice and transparency in business relationship. In many countries, governments are now using digital platforms to simplify registration and licensing, making legality more accessible for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Consequences of operating without legal status. Operating without business legality carries serious risks. Illegal business may face fines, closure, or confiscation of goods. They also cannot access bank loans, government programs, or legal protection. Moreover, consumers may destroy unregistered business, which damages their reputation and limits growth. Without legality, a company cannot sign off contract or participate in formal trade. In the long term, the absence of legality prevents business from expanding or attracting investors. Therefore, obtaining and maintaining legality is not just an obligation, but a necessity for success and sustainability. Conclusion. In conclusion, business legality is the foundation of a successful and sustainability enterprise. It provides legal recognition, protection, and opportunities for growth through proper registration, licensing, and tax compliance. Business can operate safely and gain public trust. Moreover, legality encourages ethical conduct and accountability, which are essential in maintaining a fair economic environment. In the modern world, no company can survive without legality. It is the bridge that connects business ambition with law, ethics, and social responsibility. As future business leaders, we must always ensure that or operation comply with legal standard to achieve both profit and integrity. Thank you for watching and see you next time.